Hi children, we are doing some more addition. You like to do addition? Yes. Today we are doing addition by vertical method. Adding like this. 1, 2. 2 plus 2, 4. Vertical method. You have been enjoying your addition, but here last time we did different. Now we are doing vertical. 1 plus 3, 4. 5 plus 2, 7, like that. So addition by vertical method. Again, you're going to count the object, put the number, then count and see what answer you get. I hope you enjoy. Yes? Learn to count correctly, put the number, your addition will be perfect. You like addition? Adding, yes. Adding 2 to 1 and then you get 3. Let's do some exercise. Practice addition by vertical method. Good. Let's look at our first picture. Look. You could have lots of balloons for you. What do you do with the balloons? You count them, you bulk them, you decorate them. We are doing addition vertical method. You have 2 boxes. And both the boxes, what do you have? Blue balloons. Good. Shall we count them? In the first box on the top, shall we count how many balloons are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many balloons are there in the first box? 6. So we write the number 6 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In the top box we have 6 balloons. Let's count the number in the second box. 1, 2, 3. How many? 1, 2, 3. And we put the 3 here. 6 balloons plus 3 balloons. 6 balloons plus 3 balloons. How many will you get? 6 balloons plus 3 balloons. 6 plus 3, you get 9 balloons. Shall we count and see the answer is correct? Good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 plus 7, 8, 9. 3, yes. 6, 7, 8, 9. You get answer 3. What are we doing? We are doing addition by vertical method. 6 balloons plus 3 balloons will give us 9 balloons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 6 plus 3 is equal to 9. Very good. Did you enjoy? Good. Let's take another exercise and do the vertical addition. Good. Look at the 2 boxes now. Let's count the number in each box. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4. In the first box we have 4 balloons and so we write number 4 here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we write the number 4 here. Let's count the balloons in the next box. 1, 2, 3. How many? 1, 2, 3. So we write the 3 here. Yes? 4 balloons, 3 balloons. Now we are going to do vertical addition. Yes? Vertical addition. So we say 4 plus 3. 4 plus 3 is equal to how many? 7. Very good. 4 plus 3 gives 7. 4 balloons plus 3 balloons will give us 7. Is the answer correct? We'll count and say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, plus 3 gives 7. Very good. Did you enjoy? Shall we take another exercise? Look what we have here. Look at the two boxes here. Let's count. We are doing vertical method of addition after counting. Count. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. How many balloons in the first box? 1, 2, 3. And so we write here number 3. In the next box we have 1, 2. And so we write number 2. Yes? 3, 2. 3 balloons plus 2 balloons. 3 plus 2 will give you what? 5. Very good. 3 balloons plus 2 balloons will give 5. We'll see if the answer is correct. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Correct. 3 plus 2 will give you 5. We are doing vertical method of addition. 3 balloons plus 2 balloons altogether will give you 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 plus 2 gives 5. Did you like it? Good. Shall we take another exercise? Good. Look at the balloons in 2 different boxes. And look and write carefully. In the first box we have 1 balloon. So what do we write? Number 1 here. In the second box we have 1 balloon. So what we write here? 1 here. 1 balloon here, 1 balloon here. Now, vertical type of addition, you have 1 plus 1 gives you 2. 1 plus 1 gives you 2 balloons. 1, 2. What is the answer? 2. 1, 2. So 1 plus 1 gives you 2. Very good. Shall we go to another exercise? Look at the 2 boxes now and count the number of balloons in it. In the first box we have 1, 2. 2 balloons. How many? There are 2 balloons in the first box. So we write here 2. Second box we have 1, 2 balloons and we write here 2. So we have 2 balloons here. We have 2 balloons here. We are doing horizontal type. We are doing vertical type. 2, 2. Vertical type of addition. So 2 plus 2. 2 plus 2 gives you 4. Very good. Let's count the answer. 1, 2, 3, 4. We are doing vertical method of addition. We have 2 here plus 2 here and the total 2 plus 2 is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 balloons. Did you enjoy? Very good. Let's look at another sum. Look at the boxes. Count. Let's count all the balloons. There are 2 boxes here and we're going to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many balloons are there in the first box? There are 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 5 balloons in the first box. So we put number 5 here. The second box we have 1, 2, 3. So we put here 3, 5 and 3. Now we are doing vertical type addition. So we count 5 plus 3. What will be the answer? Good. 8. 5 plus 3, 8. Let's count and see whether we have 8 balloons over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Correct. 8. 5 plus 3 gives you 8. What do you get? 5 plus 3 gives you 8. Very good. Shall we look at another exercise? Good. Are you enjoying the vertical method of addition? Good. Look at the two boxes here. Let's look at the balloons and count them correctly. 1, 2. How many balloons are there in the first box? 2. So we write over here 2 after counting 1, 2, and we write here. Let's look at the second box. How many balloons are there? Just 1. So we write over here 1. Remember, we are doing vertical type of method of addition. So we have 2 here plus 1. 2 plus 1 gives you 3. Very good. 2 plus 1 gives you 3. Shall we count and see if the answer is correct? 1, 2, 3. Very good. 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1 gives you 3. Very good. Let's go to another exercise. Shall we? Look. Again, there are two boxes. We need to count carefully before we do the vertical type of addition. We have to count, put them away. Take the first box. Let's count. 1, 2, 3. How many balloons in the first box? 3. So we write here 3 balloons. Put number 3 here. Look at the second box. Again, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So we write over here 3. So we have 3 and 3. In one box 3, the other box 3. We're doing vertical method of addition. So 3 plus 3 gives you 3 plus 3 will give you 6 is the answer. 3 plus 3 gives you 6. Let's count. The answer is correct. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Answer is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, 3 plus 3 is 6. Very good. Let's take another exercise. Shall we? Good. Here we are. Again, we have two boxes. Let's count carefully and put them. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In the first box, how many balloons are there? 5. So let's put the number 5 over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In the second box, we have 1, 2. So we put 2 here. Okay? 5, then 2. What are we doing? We are doing what method? Vertical method of addition. So 5 plus 2 will give you 5 plus 2 will give you good 7. Let's count and see if the answer is correct. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 5 balloons plus 2 gives you the answer 7. In the vertical type, 5 plus 2 gives you 7. Very good. Shall we get on to another exercise? Good. Look what we have here. Two boxes. Let's count the balloons carefully. 1, 2, 3. In the first box, we have 1, 2, 3 balloons. So we write it down here. The number 3. 1, 2, 3. The number 3 is there. Let's count. What do you have in the second box? We have 1, 2, 3, 4 balloons. 1, 4 balloons. So we write number 4 here. Okay? 3 balloons, 4 balloons. Now we are doing vertical type method of addition. So we say 3 plus 4 gives. 3 plus 4 gives. Answer? Good. 7. What is the answer? 7. Now, we're going to count and see if the answer is correct. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 3 plus 4 gives us 7 numbers. Good.